iPhone 14 Pro Max is all out, from getting its hands-on video or getting a dummy phone to get an idea of how the iPhone 14 Pro Max will look like. Everything is out, and you guys might be surprised to hear the first ever user experience of the source who actually hands on the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro Max. An iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to be expensive, which I would share in this video. iPhone 14 Pro Max first ever hands-on video was out, and it looks more like iPhone 13 Pro Max but with the bigger cameras on the back, and this is most probably a dummy device since the lenses on the back looks cheap. But here's an important: after getting the closer look and pictures we saw, the front camera is only visible, unlike on dummy where we see the sensors as well. But it is certain you guys are going to get a pill hole display on iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max models. And according to the source who hands on iPhone 14 Pro Max shares his thoughts. Like, the pill hole display works fine, just like the same as notch display, and you won't feel much difference. And the phone is quite heavy, feels like a brick. If you're looking to get an iPhone 14 Pro Max, then knowing about the price will be very important, and you guys might be sad to hear that it is more expensive than the last generation iPhone 13 Pro Max. $1199 for the base model, which is started from 256GB storage and 6GB of RAM. By the way, if you are still watching this video, giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated. iPhone 14 Pro Max will come with the 48MP sensor, and if you talk about the quality, then in earlier testing, it didn't perform well in low lighting. Let's see what Apple will do with that and get a best camera out of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Apple is going to launch iPhone 14 Pro Max on 7th of September along with the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple AirPods 2nd generation. And the pre-orders will start on September 9th and phones will hit the market on September 16th. And after seeing the invitation picture, it says "Far Out," which is something Apple is adding its new iPhone 14 Pro Max, because along with "Far Out," we saw a Galaxy type Apple logo. So adding a space zoom in iPhone 14 Pro Max could be one option we can look for. iOS 16 is confirmed and ready to launch, and the chances are we may see iOS 16 launches the same day as the iPhone 14 lineup. With new battery percentage feature and cool lock screen, it is worth updating. That is all from today's video. But wait, if you came this far, drop a like and subscribing to the channel would be much appreciated. And let me know, iPhone 14 Pro Max or iPhone 14, which one would you prefer? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.